If we want to see what a different user can see in the dynamics, we have a way to do it. First, we need to install Level Up or Dynamics 365. It's a Chrome extension. Add to Chrome, add extension. In our CRM, we have this icon of the toolbar for the extensions. When I'll click on the Level Up extension, I have here Impersonate. I can search for the user. For example, here it is, we call it demo, and then we select impersonate. Now the red icon we have here in red, that means we see this user permissions. He can see his own leads only. Now I can see only 2 leads instead of 8 I have in the CRM. Okay, I can see my own leads only. If I'll go to his security role, which is a salesperson, and I'll give him now read permission to all leads for the organization and save. Let's go back to the lead. Now we can see 8 records, 8 leads, but when I open a lead that he is not the owner, it is read only. Because in the security role, it is set, he can write only records that he is the owner. Also, he can assign records to other people, only records that he is the owner. So I don't have here assign as well. If I'll open a record that this user owns, now I have assign. I can assign it to a different user. And after this record is assigned, now I cannot assign it back, because I don't have permission to assign records that I'm not the owner of them. Also delete. He can delete his own leads only. If I'll open a lead belongs to the user, I can see the delete icon. But when I open a record that the user is not the owner, there is no delete button at all, because he doesn't have permission to delete records that he is not the owner.